Hey guys, I'm Lin from DFDS. Nice to see you again. Last time we introduced you the insertion flowmeter and the installation. This time we will show you the installation of our electromagnetic flowmeter. Okay, without further ado, let's do it now. As you can see, all of our flowmeter are packed in wooden boxes. It can better protect the product from collision. After you open the box, you will see the user's menu and the calibration list. After that, you will see the electromagnetic flowmeter. Now we can take it out and prepare it for installation. First, you need to choose an installation place. For straight pipe, you need 10D of upstream and 5D of downstream. Second, select the installation position and cut it off according to the width of the flowmeter. Third, wet the matching flange on the pipeline. If the original pipeline already has a flange, this step can be omitted. After that, adjust the position. Make sure the water flow's direction is the same as the arrow's direction. Then tighten the screws and bolts to fix the flowmeter. Connect the power cord. Here we used 220 voltage power supply. We also have 24 voltage and 3.6 voltage for you to choose. We have 420 mA, RS485 and pulse output signals. You can connect it according to your demands. The flowmeter is working stably. Our installation is completed. Thank you for watching.